Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial on getting started with strings. At the end of this tutorial, you will learn to define strings in different ways, concatenate strings, print a string repeatedly, access individual elements of the string. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3 and IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to run basic Python commands on the IPython console. If not, see the prerequisite Python tutorials on this website. What are strings? In Python, any character within a single, double, triple quotes is a string. For example, single, double and triple quotes can be used to denote a string as shown here. Strings in triple quotes can be written in multiple lines. We can also define empty strings. String is a collection of characters which cannot be modified after it is created. Let us first open the terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T keys simultaneously. Type IPython3 and press enter. Let us initialize the Pylab package. Type %pylab and press enter. Let us clear the terminal. We can assign a string to a variable called a. Type a is equal to inside any quotes hello, comma, world, exclamation mark and press enter. Now let us learn string concatenation. Let us assign strings to variables. Type x is equal to inside quotes hello, press enter. Y is equal to inside quotes world, press enter. Now let us add the two strings. Z is equal to x plus inside quotes comma plus y plus inside quotes exclamation mark, press enter. Print inside parenthesis z, press enter. Here x and y are string variables. The addition operation performs the concatenation of two strings. Here we can see the output of string concatenation. Let us clear the terminal. What if we multiply a string with an integer? Let us find out. Recall x string, press enter. X multiplied by 5, press enter. The string hello is repeated 5 times after multiplying. Pause the video, try this exercise and then resume the video. Obtain the string as shown without typing out all the 20 hyphens. Switch to the terminal for solution. Type s is equal to inside quotes 2 percentages plus inside quotes hyphen multiplied by 20 plus inside quotes 2 percentages. Press enter. Print inside parenthesis s, press enter. Let's now look at accessing individual elements of strings. We can access individual elements in the string using the subscripts. Let us clear the terminal. Recall a, press enter. Type a inside square brackets 0, press enter. Gives us the first character of the string. The indexing starts from 0 and goes up to n-1, where n is the total number of characters in a string. We can access the strings from the end using negative indices. A inside square brackets -1 gives us the last element of the string, that is exclamation mark. A inside square brackets -2 gives us the second element from the end of the string, that is D. Pause the video, try this exercise and then resume the video. Given a string S, which is hello world, what is the output of the following? Switch to the terminal. Let us clear the terminal. Type S is equal to inside quotes hello world, press enter. S inside square brackets -5 gives W. Similarly, we will get E for S -10. S inside square brackets -15 gives us an index error. Since the string given to us is only 11 characters long, S inside square brackets 15 again gives index error for the same reason. Let us attempt to change one of the characters in a string. Let us clear the terminal. Recall X. Press enter. Let us manipulate X. X inside square brackets 0 equal to inside quotes B. Press enter. Why do we get an error? Initially the value of x0 is h. Now we are trying to assign another value b to x0. Recall, strings cannot be modified after it is created. We can split and join the strings by using the function split and join. To join a string, the syntax is str.join inside parenthesis sequence. Switch to the terminal. Let us clear the terminal. Type S is equal to inside quotes hyphen, press enter. seq is equal to inside parenthesis A, comma, B, comma, C. Press enter. Print s.join inside parenthesis seq. Press enter. We will get output as A-B-C. It has joined ABC with hyphen. To split a string, syntax is str.split open and close parenthesis. Switch to the terminal. Type as shown. Press enter. Print str.split open and close parenthesis. Press enter. We get the output like this. It has split the strings at spaces. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to define strings in different ways, concatenate strings, print a string repeatedly, and access individual elements of the string. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. Write code to assign the string is called the apostrophe to a variable s. Second, how will you change s is equal to hello to s is equal to capital H hello? Third, the variables s and t are strings and r is integer. They are assigned with the values as shown below. What is the output of s multiplied by r plus t multiplied by r? And the answers. The given string can be assigned in this manner. Second, strings cannot be manipulated after it is assigned a value. Third, the operation s multiplied by r plus t multiplied by r will print each of the two words twice as hello hello, world world. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Trupti Kini from IIT Bombay, signing off. Thank you.